Today we're unboxing the Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Plug Mini, which we've got right here. This thing's pretty cool because it's a Wi-Fi smart plug that allows you to remotely control it from the Kasa TP Link app. So let's get this out of the box here, take a look at it. That's everything that we've got in the box itself, but you'll notice this actually works with both Google Home and Amazon Alexa, which means that you can use it with voice commands to control it in addition to just the Wi-Fi app. You can see nice clean lines here. You're barely going to notice this thing on the wall, and if you've got two of them together, it almost looks like it's a built-in outlet just because it's such a small profile. And that's what I like about this, is that you can put two in a dual receptacle, so one on the top and one on the bottom. A lot of times these things are too big and they just take up too much space. You've got a little on-off manual here, but you can control this with voice commands, as well as you're going to be able to control it through the app and Wi-Fi. So cool little switch here, and just standard plugs on the back. It's got two prongs and a ground. Can't show you the back because, oh, well, we can show you a little bit, just because the serial number and all that stuff's on the back, so can't show you that. But overall, nice little device. I've got a couple of these, and it's great to be able to turn on and off a lamp where they don't have a switch just by using a voice command. Hope to see you next time, and hope you enjoy.